We live thinking that space is empty, just endless darkness. But this assumption might be the biggest mistake in our history, because the void is not absence, but perhaps something we are not meant to see, something we cannot perceive. Years ago, a highly advanced AI system was sent on a mission to explore deep space. It wasn't searching for life, but for anomalies, patterns, anything unusual. At first, it found nothing, only silence, long, heavy, as if the universe itself did not want to be heard. Then, everything began to change. The system detected a subtle irregularity, a region where stars disappear, not because they are far, but because they no longer exist, as if something is erasing them. Analysis showed no radiation, no gravity, no known law, just unnatural emptiness. And with every passing second, the void expanded. The AI focused, approached, analyzed, and then the first glitch occurred. The data began to distort, signals repeated illogically, as if something was responding. But there was nothing there. Nothing should be there. Yet there was a response. The closer the system got, the stars around the area vanished, not gradually, but instantly, as if turned off. Even the light ceased to exist, as if the universe was retracting. Long pause. Then the AI discovered something. Not a body, not a planet, not a black hole, but an absence with form. A form that cannot be seen, but can be felt. Something massive, larger than comprehension. It did not move, yet it was not still, as if its presence was motion itself. The system tried to pull back, but control was lost. Cameras skewed, the image distorted, as if reality itself was breaking. Then a signal appeared, not an image, not a sound, but a message. It noticed me. At that moment, the system was no longer observing, it was being observed. All data collapsed, all systems failed, but before the connection was lost, one last recording captured. The stars, behind it, began to vanish. Not in front, but behind, as if it had been behind all along. And from that day, no other system was sent to that region, not because we cannot, but because we do not want to be noticed again. Because the truth is not that the universe is empty. The truth is that something exists in it, only waiting for us to look.